Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Google form and switching to the Responses tab. Once there, click the green Sheets icon to create or link a spreadsheet. You do this because charts are built from sheet data, not directly in forms. Once the sheet opens, make sure each question has its own column and that choice questions are consistent. If answers are free text, consider converting to multiple choice in the form and collect new responses to get clean categories for a bar chart. Now you prepare a summary table in Google Sheets so the chart is stable. You want one column for category and one for count. Use unique to list distinct answers and countif to tally each. This gives you the exact counts the bar chart needs. Once done, clean the data by sorting, removing blanks, and correcting typos because inconsistent labels break the visual. Make sure the summary updates automatically by referencing the live response column so new answers reflect in the chart. With your summary ready, select the two-column range and choose Insert then Chart. Sheets will suggest a chart type, so set it to bar chart if needed. You must map the category column to the horizontal axis and the count column to the vertical values so the bars represent counts. Adjust titles, axis labels, and colors for clarity, and enable a dynamic range so new responses update the chart. If counts seem wrong, check for stray spaces or duplicate labels in the summary as a key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.